Thanks for watching our video demonstrating remote supervision for simulated cataract surgery. My name is Sunil Mantora and I'm joined by Rebecca Jones and Alessandro Rabiolo. I really hope you enjoy our video.
Rebecca, let's practice on capsulorhexis today.
Okay.
Okay. Are you as comfortable? Do you like operating on 12 o'clock? Because I actually prefer... Yeah, maybe you may want to switch to 11 o'clock or so. It's easier to come from the side. Yeah, very good.
Yeah, it feels more comfortable.
Okay, great. So grasp the rhexis now, the margin. Yeah, and then...
It's torn out slightly on this one.
Yeah, so you may want to redirect your rhexis. Yeah, pull back. Slowly.
In this direction?
Yes, exactly. If you're not sure, you may want to put... Yes, keep going. Okay. Maybe a little bit too much, but it's okay. One useful tip can be to use some viscoelastic to fold your rhexis margin, but you're doing very well. Yeah, so
thank you.
Slowly with a circular manner. And you may want to grasp the rhexis many times to have more control. So, yeah.
Close to the flap?
Yes, close to the flap, exactly. Let me see your hands now. Oh, position is very good.
It feels a lot more comfortable.
Yeah. All right, so another grasp close to the margin. Yeah, that's a very good job, Rebecca. So the last bit is the most difficult one, so pay attention there. Fantastic. It's fantastic job.
Here we have all the equipment that you'll need to connect everything. So VGA HDMI converter, video capture with loop adapter, HDMI cables, and power cable, and a cable to connect to your computer, and an audio cable. Let's show you how to do the actual connection itself. So here we can see that there's a VGA connector going from the EyeSi computer into the monitor. So we take this out and we essentially want to intercept this video feed from the EyeSi to the monitor and take this out, put it to our computer, but also replicate it so that it's going back into the monitor. So first of all, we convert the VGA to an HDMI connection. So this goes in this adapter like here. We also want to put the audio inside of here so that we can then put the VGA and the audio together to make a single HDMI output. This adapter needs to be powered, so you can connect this mini USB connector into this dongle and then either plug this into your laptop or you can hardwire it into a plug socket with a USB adapter. The similar kind of thing that will come for free with your iPhone. Then we've got the HDMI output. This then goes into our video capture with loop adapter. So this adapter, you input HDMI and it outputs HDMI and outputs USB. So you input one connection and it outputs two connections, with one being USB into your computer for Zoom and the other being back into the EyeSi monitor, so that when you're doing remote supervision with your EyeSi, you've got all the functions of the monitor intact, touch interface and the display on the screen at the same time. You can connect this adapter to USB, and this is a USB to USB cable, and that goes in your laptop. So when you're on your laptop, it behaves as a webcam, and you just go in your Zoom settings or your FaceTime settings or whatever software you're using, and then you just change the webcam input. You then have the HDMI output, which is just looping back and maintaining the functionality of the screen. And because our monitor is quite old, we need to convert that back into VGA. So before we had a VGA to HDMI adapter, now we've got a HDMI to VGA adapter. And this HDMI cable comes with audio, so we're taking the audio out of this HDMI cable and we're splitting that and we're putting that back into the audio connector in the back of the monitor. And this is important so that audio signal is maintained, and also so that we can share the audio from the EyeSi, such as the phaco machine noises, through our Zoom call as well.